What's up? What's up, guys? How are you? Oh, I'm so freaking tired after work. It's Friday and I'm waiting for my husband to finish with fixing dishes. So, cheers. Yeah, I'm lazy. Oh, today is not my day to make food, so you can't blame me. So I'm just gonna lie here and relax. And don't go outside because it's tons of snow. It's much better to just be on the couch. I'm so full after hamburgers that my husband made by himself. Well, he always cooks, so. But today, I don't know, I have such a back pain because I had to work a little bit overtime. So, yeah, it's awesome. So, cheers again for all the snobs that don't like alcohol and other stuff. Så good. Så jäkla gott. Här är min blomma. Som faktiskt jag fick när det var nytt år. Och det var jätteliten och nu den är stor. Hoppas den växer ännu mer. Anyway. I alla fall. Ses och ha en bra dag. Bra kväll och underbar helg. Well, there's my hobby. Now we're gonna watch a movie. So, peace.